I know firsthand how frustrating a dead car battery can be. I've bought and tested these top-rated car batteries so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're stuck on the side of the road or just need a reliable power source, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the reviews and I'll share my real experiences with each battery. Product number 1, NOCO Boost GB40. I've been in situations where my car battery decided to give up on me, and trust me, it's never fun. That's where the NOCO Boost GB40 comes into play. This compact jump starter packs a powerful punch with 1000 amps of peak power, allowing you to jumpstart your car up to 20 times on a single charge. I remember my friend's car dying in a parking lot, and we were able to get it running again in minutes with this little device. The built-in ULTRASAFE technology ensures that there are no sparks or reverse polarity issues, making it incredibly user-friendly. I just connected the clamps, pressed the button, and voila, the car roared back to life. It's also a portable power bank, so when my phone was about to die, I plugged it in and charged it up quickly. The integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight was a lifesaver when I had to check the engine at night. With 7 different modes, including SOS and strobe, it's perfect for emergencies. Weighing in at just 2.4 pounds, it fits easily in my glove compartment without taking up much space. I appreciate its rugged design. It's IP65 rated, so it can withstand dust, water, and impact, which gives me peace of mind when traveling. However, it's not without its downsides. The price point is a bit on the higher side compared to standard jump starters, but the performance and safety features justify the cost. Some may find it a bit bulky compared to traditional jumper cables, but I'll take that for the extra functionality. Overall, if you want a reliable, multifunctional jump starter that delivers, the NOCO Boost GB40 is a fantastic investment. It's saved me more times than I can count, and I highly recommend it for anyone needing a dependable battery backup solution. Product number 2, YONHAN Battery Charger. Next up is the YONHAN Battery Charger, a game changer for anyone who has ever faced a dead battery. I've used several chargers in the past, but this one stands out for its multifunctionality. It's not just a charger, it's a maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator all rolled into one. With a 10 amp output, it works with both 12V and 24V lead-acid batteries, which means it's versatile enough for my car, motorcycle, and even my lawnmower. What I love the most about this charger is its winter and summer modes. Living in a place where temperatures fluctuate wildly, this feature is crucial for preventing battery drain. The reverse polarity protection and overcharge protection give me peace of mind, knowing I won't accidentally damage my battery while charging. The backlit LCD display is another highlight. It provides real-time information about voltage, current, and temperature, making it easy to monitor the charging process. However, there's a caveat. If your battery is below 0.3V or already damaged, this charger won't be able to revive it, which is something to keep in mind. I also had a minor issue with the power plug not making contact initially, but it turned out to be dirty battery terminals. After cleaning them, everything worked perfectly. If you're looking for a reliable charger that can also maintain your battery's health, the YONHAN is a worthy investment. It's compact, efficient, and packed with features that ensure your battery remains in tip-top shape, especially during those long winter months. Product number 3, Wise Platinum AGM Battery. The Wise Platinum AGM battery is a powerhouse that exceeded my expectations. When I replaced my old battery with this one, I felt an immediate difference in performance. With a capacity of 70 Ah and 710 cold cranking amps (CCA), it provides reliable starting power even in frigid temperatures. One of the standout features is its heat and cold resistance. The AGM technology used in this battery allows it to perform well even in extreme weather. I've noticed that it holds its charge much better than traditional flooded batteries, making it ideal for those of us who don't drive our cars often. The low self-discharge rate is a lifesaver, especially when I go on vacations and leave my car sitting for a while. Safety is another aspect that impressed me. There's a significantly lower risk of acid leaks or spills with AGM batteries, which is a huge plus for me considering how messy and dangerous it can be. Plus, they're designed to handle higher electrical loads, making them perfect for modern vehicles with advanced technology. On the downside, make sure you check the fitment dimensions. It's crucial to confirm that this battery will fit your vehicle before purchase. Additionally, it's not the cheapest option on the market, but the performance and durability justify the price. If you want a battery that provides solid power, enhanced safety, and longevity, the Wise Platinum AGM is a stellar choice. Product number 4, ACDelco Gold AUX 14200. If you're looking for reliability, the ACDelco Gold AUX 14200 battery is a solid option. This maintenance-free AGM battery is designed for high performance, and I've found it to be incredibly dependable. The first time I installed it, I noticed how easy it was. There's no need for water and no spills to worry about. The leak-proof design ensures that everything is contained, which is especially important for me, as I tend to be a bit clumsy at times. The high-density plate oxide technology provides excellent power-to-weight ratio, making it a great choice for those who need high cycling service. I've used this battery in my vehicle during long trips, and it never let me down. The heavy top lid and large connections optimize power output and durability. It's clear that ACDelco put thought into creating a battery that can take some serious wear and tear. However, it's worth noting that this battery is primarily designed for General Motors vehicles, so if you're driving something else, double-check compatibility. Also, while it's marketed as a premium aftermarket part, it does come with a higher price tag, which might not fit everyone's budget. That said, if you want something that delivers consistent performance and can withstand tough conditions, the ACDelco Gold AUX 14200 is a worthy investment. Product number 5, Wise Platinum AGM H8. Last but certainly not least is the Wise Platinum AGM H8 battery. This battery is built for high-performance vehicles, and it shows. With a 95 Ah capacity and 900 cca, it's designed to deliver reliable starting power even in the harshest conditions. I remember an icy winter morning when my friends were struggling to get their cars started, and mine fired up almost instantly thanks to this battery. The advanced technology in this battery is impressive. It's specifically designed for vehicles with start-stop technology, which is becoming increasingly common. It handles higher electrical loads exceptionally well, making it perfect for modern cars packed with gadgets. The sealed design means it's spill-proof and low maintenance, which is a huge plus for me. Also, just like with other batteries, ensure it fits your vehicle by checking the dimensions and terminal positions. Overall, if you want a robust, reliable automotive battery that can handle the demands of today's vehicles, the Wise Platinum AGM H8 is an excellent choice. It's been a game changer for my driving experience, and I believe it will be for you too. After testing these top 5 car batteries, I can confidently say that investing in a reliable battery is crucial for any vehicle owner. Whether you need a jump starter, a smart charger, or a high-performance battery, there's something here for everyone. Each product brings unique features that cater to different needs, so choose wisely based on your driving habits. Don't let a dead battery ruin your day. Pick one of these and drive with confidence.